Hi guys, hi, hello, what's up, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm back with a makeup tutorial, and I'm not actually sure what look I'm going for yet, so I'm just going to try and create something that goes with my earrings. So yeah guys, before I start, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm not going to stop saying this until you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off by priming my eyes, so I'm going to be using two different concealers. I'm going to be using the Sleek concealer and the Revolution concealer, and I mix that together, and I find that mixing them both gives me a really nice base for colours, and that makes it pop even more. I'm using a brush to just spread it onto my lid because I find that using a beauty sponge just makes it really messy. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my V-Lace World palette called Maya. It's an Instagram brand. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving everything down below so you guys can get the, I don't know, information if you like. So yeah, I'm going to be going into two different shades. I'm only using two shades for this tutorial to make it easy for my beginners. So I'm going to be using the pink shade and the gold one. All you will need to do is watch these different steps to achieve the eye look. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 440, and I'm using my Sigma Beauty brush to just apply that to my skin. Guys, I've got a discount code for Sigma Beauty, so if you want to get these brushes, just let me know, or I'll leave the what's it called, my code down below so you can use it if you want to get 10% off. Don't say I don't help you out. For concealer today, I'm using two different concealers. I'm going to be using my Revolution concealer and my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I think that's what it's called anyway. To blend my concealer in properly, I'm going to be spraying my face first, and I'm using my Revolution Pro Fix Fixing Spray. Now using my foundation brush to just blend everything in, and to set my face, to set the areas where I highlighted, I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup powder. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Black Copper foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment and share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.